Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob. We've got some breaking tool news.
Milwaukee has been oddly quiet these last few weeks. Apparently, Home Depot was feeling the Milwaukee withdrawal just like the rest of us and decided to leak the coolest PACKOUT kit yet several months early. Let's go. This is the all-new PACKOUT Rolling Tool Chest with a never-before-seen dual stack top that enables users to bring two separate stacks onto the job site. It's limited to 250-pound capacity, but hey, that's still a lot of tools. To make sure it can handle dual stacks, it's equipped with an industrial-grade extension handle and 9-inch all-terrain wheels, so you can take it anywhere on the job site. And like all PACKOUT boxes, this one has an IP65 rated weather seal. It's constructed with impact-resistant polymers, has metal-reinforced locking points, heavy-duty latches, reinforced hinges, and of course a lifetime warranty. Inside, you'll find a 35-gallon capacity and this cool interior organizing tray. Now, this is a brand new form factor for the PACKOUT system, something many people have been asking for, as the ability to stack PACKOUT boxes side by side means easier access. But of course, that also means it will be harder to open the actual rolling tool chest. We're anxious to hear from you guys in the comments. Does this form factor make sense to you? Are you gonna have trouble dealing with this on the job site, or is this everything you've ever wanted? I'll be looking for your answers below. Seeing as this is a leak, we don't have actual release dates or prices just yet. Stay tuned and we'll let you know those details as soon as we get them from Milwaukee.